there are 5 logarithmic expressions in here, I would like to use log of natural and common logarithms to condense each expression into one single term. So the law of natural logarithm, so we have 3's right over here. So the first one is ln m times n. So when you have a multiplication inside an ln, you have ln m plus ln n. When you have a division, so ln m divided by n, that is equals to ln m minus ln n. The last one is the most popular, so that is ln m raised to the nth power. You can bring the nth power down to the front. So that is one of the biggest purpose of studying logarithm, is to carry the power down to the front. All right, carry the power down to the front. If you change all the ln to log, these 3 formulas will hold. Okay, so the first one is log of x minus 12 log of x plus 1 plus 3 over 2 times log of y to the third plus 5. So first of all, let's bring the number in front of each log to the exponent. So that is, this is equals to log of x, and then bring the 12 up, so log of x plus 1 to the 12th power, and then plus log of y to the third plus 5, and then raised to 3 over 2. And then for the first 2 logs, we have a minus, so therefore we will put this, so log of x divided by x plus 1 to the 12th, and then plus log the 3 over 2, so the 2 in the denominator, you can put that as a square root, and then the third power, you can keep the third power inside the square root. So y to the third plus 5, and then raise that to the third power. So since this is a plus, then we will multiply the fraction to the square root. So we have log, and then a long fraction bar, we have x times the square root of y to the third plus 5, and then raise the whole thing to the third power divided by x plus 1 raised to the 12th power. So now we just combine the expression, combine 3 terms, condense 3 terms into one single term. So that's the first one, and then the next one is a log of x. So the next one we have a log of x minus 2 log of y, and then the third log, the base is a 4. So let's see how does that work. So log of x minus 2 log of y plus 3 log, but the base is a 4. Okay, so let's take care of the first two terms. So this is a log x minus log, bring the 2 up, that is a y square, and then plus log base 4 z to the third power. So for the first 2 logs, I didn't specify the base. That means they are base 10, and this is a minus. So we have a log x divided by y square, and then plus log, and then base 4 z to the third. Are we able to combine these two? The answer is no, we cannot. So this is the final answer. There is no way to condense these 2 terms because they don't have the same base. So please don't do this. So please don't do this. So log and then x times z to the third divided by y squared. This is not true. So this is not true. All right. So because they don't have the same base. So the base are not the same. They don't have the same base. We have base 10 and base 4, so there is no way to condense them. All right, moving on to the next one, we have a ln x minus a square bracket. Okay, let's do that. We have, let's use a different color. We have a ln x minus square bracket, ln x plus 2, and then plus ln x minus 6. So let's work inside the square bracket first. We have a plus, so we are going to multiply. So ln x minus ln x plus 2, and then times x minus 6. And then we have a minus, then we do a division. So we have ln x divided by x plus 2, and then times x minus 6. Okay, so that is the answer to the third expression. I want to remind you that this is not equal to ln x divided by ln x plus 2 and x minus 6. These two things, they are completely different. If you give me this, I will just say that is completely wrong. I will just take all the points off. I will just give you a 0 if you put that as your final answer. All right. So that is number 3. Moving on to number 4, we have a 1/3, right? So let's copy the questions over here. How about this? We use purple. So we have a 1/3 and then square bracket 2 times ln x minus 3 and then plus ln x minus ln 4x squared minus 5 and then close the square bracket. Let's work inside the square bracket. So first I'm going to bring all the numbers up. So 1/3. So this is a ln x minus 3 squared plus ln x and then minus ln 4x squared minus 5. Okay, so now we have a plus, we have a minus, so that means we will multiply the first two terms and then divide the last term. So this is a 1/3 multiply ln x minus 3 squared. Let's put the x right over here. And then minus ln 4x squared minus 5. And then we do a division, right? And then we keep the 1/3 outside. So we have a 1/3 and then ln x times x minus 3 squared divided by 4x squared minus 5, and then the 1/3, you bring it up, the 1/3 becomes a cube root. So this is a ln, the cube root of x times x minus 3 squared divided by 4x squared minus 5. So that is your final answer. Okay, so we have one problem left. So that is the last one. I'm going to copy this. So I'm going to copy and then bring that down here. Okay, so this let's do the work inside the square bracket first. So that is equals to 1/5. You have to bring the 2 up. So this is a log of 8y and then plus log of 8. They have the same base, and then y plus 4 square and then minus log of 8 and then y minus 1. Alright, we have a plus, so plus means multiply, so we have 1/5 log base 8 y times y plus 4 square and then minus log base 8 and then y minus 1. And then bring the 1/5 up, so the 1/5 becomes an 5th root, right? So that is a log base 8 5th root and then y plus 4 square minus log base 8 and then y minus 1, and then this is a minus, so we are going to do a division. So we have a log base 8. Make sure they have the same base. If they don't have the same base, then we end at this line. The 5th root of y times y plus 4 square divided by y minus 1. Okay, so this is your final answer. Alright, that is the end of this video. If you think my instruction is helpful and clear, give me a like, share this video for me. If you are new to the channel, please click the subscribe button before you leave. I will see you all in the next lesson. Signing out.